I recently have been getting a lot of DMs from people who just feel like they don't live in the right place to be acting, and I just wanted to make a quick video about that because, of course, choosing to be an actor as a career is really complicated, but you know, it's fine to not be completely exactly where you want to be and completely successful. I can't even say the word. Like for me, for example, personally, I am not making that much money off of acting, you know, as much as like I would like to. Here in the Bay Area, you would need to make around $100,000 to be like okay, and have money to spare, right? So some people need to have like a full-time job in order to be able to pay for their bills, pay for stuff. Everybody has different situations. So what I'm trying to say is that even if you're in a smaller town, even if you're not exactly where you want to be, you can still be acting. You can still find room to do creative things that will make you happy, and you will eventually find a way to be happy and do acting, and it's not like there's one right way to be an actor, you know? It's not like you have to be in movies, you have to be in TV, and then that way you're an actor. Like you can be in theater, you can be in short films, you can be in music videos, you can just like use acting in so many different ways. You can make YouTube videos. So if you're in a small town, I'm gonna say do these two things. One, just record yourself, write something silly, just a character that you would love to play. Maybe choose your favorite TV show. So mine is The Office. I feel like of all time, yeah, it's probably The Office as far as a TV show. So let's say my favorite character would be Meredith. Okay. So I can either grab a few of her lines and practice them and record them, and then edit them in between, like edit those shots as if I was playing her, or I can make some new lines and just act those and film those, and just so you can practice, and it feels so good to be creative, and kind of just let your creative self out. And then the other thing is look for student films. Most universities, colleges have some kind of film program, so look for that. Look on Craigslist and see if there's, of course, be careful because Craigslist doesn't have a very good reputation. Look on Craigslist and see if there's student films. Look on Backstage, look on Casting Network. Like Backstage, like I've mentioned before, is pretty much worldwide. You can make a Craigslist post and say, hey, I'm looking for other creatives. Look for Facebook groups in your area to get together with other creatives and just practice and just act, because you never know. Like if you do want to make money off of it, which of course it would be amazing to, you know, be able to make a living off of something you really, really enjoy, you never know who you can meet doing these little short films, projects, music videos, whatever. So go ahead and look for that and just try it out. So one, write something for yourself and just film it. You don't have to publish it. You're just practicing. You're just having fun. And hey, if you get something good out of it, then go ahead and publish it. And then two, find a student film and just do it. I mean, you will always learn something off of it. Even if it's a bad experience, you didn't have fun, the script wasn't well, they were disorganized, whatever. Like, okay, now you know not to work with them. But there's so many talented people, especially here in the Bay Area. And I'm sure there's talented people in your small town that you live in, whatever country you live in, there's somebody creative. You can grab a phone, bounce some ideas off of each other, or just improvise. But yeah, you guys, if you want to act, just act. Practice, and hopefully, you know, you'll get paid for some of it someday or make a living out of it, whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I didn't introduce myself at the beginning, but if you're new to my channel, my name is Belgica and I'm an actress in the Bay Area, and I make acting related videos every Monday and Thursday. And I just wanted to share this today because I feel like I needed it, some of it, and some of the people that have been DMing me recently, and I've been talking to them, of course, you know, just need a little bit of like, hey, you can do it. And this video shout out goes out to this lovely lady. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and supporting my channel.